The basic idea was to give a forum to all the students of our Moraji Desai Residential School. This is inclusive of 4 departments, that is Social Welfare Department, Tribal Welfare Department, Minority Welfare and Backward Class Welfare Department. So all the students, we have 1,156 schools, residential schools. So around 200 schools have been nominated, and they have been brought here to give them a forum to showcase their talent. So it has come out really well, and there has been a huge response since yesterday. So many private schools and in our own school, students are really enjoying this 2 day science expo. This is to ensure the scientific temperament of all the students. They are very young minds. They have very innovative ideas, and they have really come up with very new ideas, also fresh ideas, which we would like to take up these ideas forward to the industrial sector also. Maybe we can see talk to few of the industrial heads, and they can come out upscaling these projects also. So it is a huge response from the students as well as the teachers, as well as several parents are also coming from morning today. I hope this particular expo will be taken up every year. We have already planned that every year this type of science expo should be done in coordination with our private partners also. And I would personally congratulate Indian Army also. They also put up a stall, and all students are so much excited seeing the Indian Army very up close, and also the HAL, ISRO and all other Bellspire and all other associate partners who have come forward to give all the children a very new experience.
This is a science exposition organized by Department of Social Welfare, Government of Karnataka. Actually, the Department of Social Welfare is running 830 residential schools, and apart from that, even Minority Welfare Department schools, around 326 schools are also participating. Total of around 1,156 schools, residential school children are participating in the exposition. 200 selected schools have put up their stalls here. The program was inaugurated by the Honorable Chief Minister of Karnataka, Chief Basaraj Bommai sir, on 27th. So this is a 2 days event, 27th and 28th, being organized at Tripuravasini in Palace Grounds, Bengaluru. So the program is going on very well. A lot of interesting things have been exhibited here. Apart from this, our partners have also come from HAL and Agastya Foundation, ISRO. All these people have also put up the stall, and also our army has been magnanimous enough to put up a few stalls here, and we have brought an helicopter also for the so it will be very interesting for the children to watch it. So the event is going on very well. So we hope to conduct the same events in the future also.